In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that comes from the site powersoftwarepc.com. These pop-ups by powersoftwarepc.com are absolutely faulty and deceptive. You should not trust them. Such pop-ups claim to be related to the well-known security application, but in reality they are not related to any decent software. Instead, these pop-ups are totally faulty, and you should not tolerate them. Don't trust them. They try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you eventually forced to download and install some potentially unwanted programs. If you see these pop-ups by powersoftwarepc.com, keep in mind that these are not genuine alerts, they are totally fake. Such pop-ups may be easily the result of some adware on your system, so I would recommend you to carefully uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. I also recommend that you investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus which you may get on this official page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.